Me and my husband, we've been married coming April the 12th of 2022. We'll make 36 years of marriage.
Going to school together was a unique situation and a unique feeling.
I'm very proud of my husband. I'm so proud of my husband because without my husband, there's no me. We're like together. And our kids make us what we are today. And I just want to say that if family means so much to everybody, you always should honor your family because you never know what's going to happen today or tomorrow.
Well, my mother always said go to school, and she said learn. And I thought I tried in technical college because I heard good things about it.
My advice is you can do anything you put your heart to. If that's something you want to do, reach for it. You can always reach for it. It's never too late. You're never too old. I proved to myself that I wasn't too old. My kids were like, Mom, you're not too old. You can always do it. Well, my goal is to have my own small business. I would like to do a business from home.
My next step is basically to open my own businesses in small computer repair.
I'm in it because I love to do it. I'm in it to please people. I like to see when people have a smile on their face, because when you give them something that's from your heart, people love that. And that's what it's all about, baking from your heart. Who had the highest GPA? Was
Me.
it you? You?
Of course, me.
Really?
Yes, United States Marine Corps. Hoorah.
Hoorah, okay. If you want to say you had it, that's fine. So he had the highest GPA. I live with that.
Graduation means to me is success. Is if you put something in your mind to do it,
Yes.
do it.
Yes.
And don't let nobody say that you can't.
This is my chance to walk, to shine, and to do what I want to do, which is be the best person I can be in baking. And I am going to be so proud to walk across that stage and receive my certificate for baking and pastry as a baking and pastry chef. That's my dream.